Welcome to ATS Electroloop. In this video, we will demonstrate the proper use and assembly of the Jack LUBER series. Today, we are using the Jack LUBER 125cc unit. However, these instructions apply to all Jack LUBER series products. First, remove the weather cap. Next, remove the protective cover counterclockwise. Use a small screwdriver to switch the correct dip switch to your operation needs. Now we are going to demonstrate how to use the dip switch panel. These switches are your choices for your specific lubrication needs. Take the adapter plug from both the battery pack and the circuit board and attach them together. You will see the LED lights flash as they go through a startup cycle.